Hey, it's Sergeant Locksmith here. All right, we're going to do a little quick video. This one here is going to be for your 3-button smart key remote. You can leave your key ring on this one, which will be right here. You will need a battery for this, which is a CR2450, and you won't need no tools. So let's go ahead and get started. Take your remote, pull your emergency release for your emergency key blade, and when you look up in here, you'll see right here there's this indentation. Go ahead and take your emergency key. It is beveled on the end. Just slide it in there and you'll hear it just pop. Once it does, twist it and your housing will start to lift up. You can use your blade and keep pushing it up in there, or if you want to turn around and use your fingers in this gap, you can. For this purpose, we're going to just keep using the blade. That way you can see. We got it in there and I just pushed it up. There we go, we got your battery exposed. Go ahead and use your thumb, fingernail, dig your battery out. Once the battery's loose, here's your battery. As you can see, it calls for the CR2450. These are new remotes we're using for this demonstration. So we're going to put the battery back in. Take your battery, put it in, and go and push down, and it will set a slight angle, which is perfectly fine. Go and take the cover. You see how there's this little edge piece right here? That needs to go in first. So go ahead and put it in. Squeeze it together. And go ahead and put your emergency blade back in. And there you go. You've just changed the battery on your 3-button smart key remote. Thanks for watching Sergeant Locksmith, and let's be safe out there.